Welcome back to Auto Update Review. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to impress with its premium design, advanced tech, and exhilarating driving experience. Mazda has refined this model even further, making it one of the most compelling choices in its segment. Let's start with the exterior. The CX-5 retains its signature Kodo design language, but with a sharper, more modern look. The front grille is now more prominent, featuring a new mesh pattern that adds a bold touch. Slimmer LED headlights and a refreshed bumper enhance its sporty appeal, while new alloy wheel designs give it an even more dynamic stance. Mazda also introduces new color options, including a stunning deep crystal blue and an elegant zircon sand. Moving to the interior, the 2025 CX-5 boasts a cabin that feels more upscale than ever. Soft-touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and a minimalist dashboard design create a luxurious atmosphere. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The updated digital driver's display provides crisp graphics and customizable information for a more intuitive experience. Comfort has been a priority, with redesigned seats offering better support for long drives. Rear passengers also benefit from increased legroom and improved seat cushioning. A new panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Cargo capacity remains generous, making the CX-5 a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 CX-5 offers multiple powertrain options. The standard 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency, while the turbocharged version pushes out even more horsepower for those craving extra performance. Mazda's iActive AWD system is now standard across all trims, ensuring superior traction and stability in various road conditions. A mild hybrid variant has also been introduced, improving fuel efficiency without compromising driving dynamics. Speaking of driving, the CX-5 continues to shine with its engaging handling and refined ride quality. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus enhances cornering stability, making every twist and turn feel controlled and precise. The suspension has been fine-tuned for a smoother ride, absorbing bumps effortlessly while maintaining excellent road feedback. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the CX-5 delivers a premium driving experience that stands out in its class. Safety has been further enhanced with Mazda's iActiveSense suite. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking come standard, providing peace of mind on every journey. The new 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, while improved sensors offer better detection of pedestrians and cyclists. Technology-wise, Mazda has integrated the latest innovations to keep drivers connected and entertained. The new infotainment system is more responsive, featuring an upgraded user interface. A premium Bose audio system with 12 speakers delivers immersive sound quality, perfect for music lovers. The CX-5 also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring its tech remains up to date without visiting the dealership. Fuel efficiency remains strong, with the standard engine offering impressive mileage, while the hybrid version further enhances economy. Mazda has also focused on sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly materials into the interior and optimizing aerodynamics to reduce emissions. Trim levels include the base Sport, mid-range Touring, and the luxurious Signature Edition, each offering a unique blend of features. The top-tier trim includes Nappa leather seats, ventilated front seats, and a heads-up display, elevating the driving experience to a whole new level. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-5 starts at a competitive range, making it an attractive option against rivals like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Hyundai Tucson. With its blend of style, technology, and performance, this SUV continues to set the benchmark in its category. So, what do you think of the 2025 Mazda CX-5? Is it the perfect SUV for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.